Hello there, welcome to my channel. And today I'm happy to talk about our lettuce, the progress so far made. You can see lettuce is growing very fast in this hydroponic system we set up. And this is based on the hydroform material. This material, it can be bought from a store, hardware store, and it is a simple system here we came up with. Of course, as you can see, it is made up of platform here, and we put some water with the polythene bag. It's quite a simple system to make a platform, and then you put polythene bag within with on the top of the platform. You can see the roots are coming out nicely, strongly, clean, white. That's why the lettuce is also very healthy. What I want to explain today is that in order for you to grow the leafy vegetables, or to grow the lettuce, you don't need pumps. You don't need complicated systems. What you just need to do, go to the store and purchase the nutrient, and you don't need any pump here, because this is not based on pump. You can see it's growing very fast, growing day and night. Here we have another section. We are trying to illustrate the different types of material. You see this is used for construction, but you can also use it for your growth of lettuce. So you can see a simple system, and it works. Don't worry about pumps, because this is now what we call the Kratky method of growing leafy vegetables. So the issue of pumps is not a very big matter in this hydroponic journey. What you need is to get nutrients right. What is important is nutrients, not pumps that you have to keep pumping, getting oxygen in the system. No, this I would strongly recommend this method, because I'm trying out so many methods. The beauty about this method is very easy to set up. It's a matter of getting these high these material, the form these boards, and you put holes in them, and you grow your vegetables. And here I illustrate my son is this is my son is a farm, but again this is based on pipes. Again, pipes can also do good job, but the end caps can be very expensive. So to me, in this journey, what I'm discovering, it is better to do this platform, and then in the platform you put some kind of tray on top, and then after that you put just a polythene bag. And these commercial farmers are using this method, and which is based on this hydroform material. So styrofoam, rather. The material is styrofoam, not hydroform. Styrofoam. Please, I beg your pardon. It is styrofoam, not hydroform. So you can always get this styrofoam. So the pipes are also okay, but again they are also cheaper. But again, the issues of putting these holes in the pipe, you need drills. So here I'll be illustrating how you can put these holes, the circles, in my next video, so that I make it easy for anybody located in any place, any country, to grow lettuce, and without using complicated methods. So this is the thing, and I look forward to sharing more videos. Of course, at the extreme end, you can see we are trying to come up with a system which is based on the concept of aeroponics, where the roots will be suspended in the air and they get watered by a pump. But I don't want to get into details of that concept. What I want to focus on is something that can work for anybody, and you can grow these lettuce with ease. Basically, what you need are the net caps. What you need are the seeds. You can even use a sponge. You don't need to use cockpit in case you don't have cockpit. This is sponge, and the system is working. You even don't need the complicated structure as much as we are trying to come up with a greenhouse. But again, you can put something simple with a polythene. So this is where we discover things, so that we don't go by what is written in books. You need also to discover by trying out, and you will be able to now to know that things like lettuce are the easiest plants to grow. So I think I can stop here, but I'm very pleased with the growth rate. Yeah, you see this one is very healthy. You see the roots, and you see how the plant is coming out, very healthy. The roots are white. Of course, the challenge here, when it rains heavily, it can dilute the nutrients, but again, it's not a big issue. If water gets in, you reduce on the water that has entered into the system, and check whether things like pH are still within the limits. So that's what I have to say. But before I close, let me also take you to a comparison we are trying to make between the soil-based and the soil-less based concept of growing leafy vegetables. One moment. Here we have a simple system, very easy, based on a simple tray. So we wrap the polythene bag around to keep light away. So you can purchase like 3 trays and make this simple system, which is based on the floating raft. So this is where we are. So here I'm trying to compare the growth speed of lettuce, which is planted in soil, vis-a-vis the speed at which the lettuce planted in hydroponics. So look at this. This one is growing very fast. It is healthy, looks nice, good. But when you compare with this, here the miserable growth can be observed because the soil maybe lacks nutrients. So I think this is the new era in farming, whereby we companies, countries are focusing on better methods like hydroponics. Here we have not transplanted this to the system, but we intend to get these from here to the other system. And here you can see the miserable growth, which is not appealing good. It doesn't look good, it's not appealing. You can see growth here is not very good. Things are kind of drying off, and we are discovering that the easier plant rather to grow is according to the research we are making for now, it is lettuce, and as along the way we shall be able to discover other things as we learn. It's a journey, but what is really interesting here, the growth based on nutrients vis-a-vis the growth based on soil. Soil is the growth rate is very slow. Again, here we have another system we set up this few 2 days back. You can see how it's made. We want to see the progress. Again, here we are trying to plant more lettuce. So here we are going to put probably 50 plants. So within a few days, this entire place will be green. It will be green because we expect this to come out. Basically, to repeat what I was saying is that what is important in the hydroponics system is getting the nutrient right. Once you get the nutrient right, you'll be able to do hydroponics with ease. In my next video, I'll be talking about nutrients we use, and I'll be talking about NPK 19 or 20. I'll just give you a simple formula on how to mix that, and you'll be there with your hydroponics farm. Thank you very much for listening to me, and look forward to sharing more videos. Please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and hit the notification button for more videos, and like the videos, and we will be able to share more content in this area of hydroponics. Thank you very much, and if you need more information about this system, please refer to my previous videos. Bye for now.